Hi, Nye. So I logged into your account so that way I can try to figure out what's the error that you're getting. And I think I figured it out. It's just an issue in the sense of Canvas trying to relate to EdPuzzle. So when you click on today's assignment for the reteaching and you bring up your link, um, the first time I clicked on it, it had given me the error message where it said verify your email. You at no point should have to do that because all of your information is connected through Canvas. So there is no logging in or anything like that. So if that error was to pop up, exit out of it, go back to your Canvas screen, hit the refresh button so it reloads the link, and then load it again in the new window. I've had a student that had to do this 3 times in order for it to actually bring up the video, and it's honestly, I don't necessarily know why it has issues sometimes doing that. I've seen it where you've been able to click right in and it's fine and it's dandy, and then the next thing you know, it doesn't work. But I retried also for Thursdays, so that way in case there was an issue with Thursdays. And when I had loaded Thursdays EdPuzzle, it brought it up immediately as well. So it looks like your links are back to working. So go ahead and try them on your end and then let me know what you got, okay?